In some good news for the SMX playoffs coming into round 2, Garrett Marchbanks at least says he is in. Now, if you missed this in Moto 1, he crashed and had a injury to his knee, whatever you want to call it. And earlier this week, or early this week, as they put it, it's been checked out, and apparently it's good enough to go. Now, obviously, who knows if he's going to be 100%? Probably not, but any number of the factory guys in is always the way you want this to work. The most number of factory guys, the most number of guys who at any point should be on the podium or should be, in the contention of winning, is going to make just the product better. The racing is better, the viewership product is going to be better, and, it's just the way you want it to go. And obviously, injuries are a part of the sport you just kind of can't get away from. Crashes happen, little things, and who knows? Is he going to be 100%? Probably not, like I said. But at least he's going to go out there and try, and who knows? He could also go out for qualifying or practice or even Moto 1 or 2 and just decide, it's not good, it's not strong, or I don't feel safe on it. So we'll end up having to see what actually happens, but at least he's going to be, knock on wood, making an appearance for the Kawasaki squad, and we'll see where he goes from there. But it's at least good news that it's not a horrible injury or something that is bad enough that's going to keep him out for the rest of the year. So we'll see. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.